well-built boys that you noticed. We'll talk more about that as the game progresses. The first ball.
And this is a good start, bringing the ball back in. Pulled a lot for Karachi. Wow, big shot this, down the ground, over mid-on, one bounce boundary. So good positive start from Akhil.
Oh, it's gone right through. That in-swing worked, and the bowler gets back after being hit for a boundary.
Have a look at it again. Ball coming back in, just a touch fuller in length, and does the job for the bowler.
Yeah, hitting top of off. 4 for 1 Ladkhana. They lose Akhil Danish for 4. Opting for that fuller length on that occasion. We'll get a couple.
And coming in to play this National Cup T20. Wonderfully hit this, and the fielder diving but missing the ball. Misfield, and this is 4 runs to the ultimate tournament, which is the PSL. Wonderfully struck this full ball, looking for the swing, but only finding the middle of the bat.
With a ball that's swinging in, he's got hold of that. That's a maximum.
Wanting to confirm whether the ball went across the line, and it has gone way beyond the advertising boards.
To the youngsters, that's a nice pickup shot. That's another maximum. This pitch is not playing the way it did yesterday.
Great take that in the crowd. Took it as easy as you like. Great stroke though, a pickup stroke. Great position, pivoting along the stroke. Just have a look at this. Have a look at that back foot pivoting.
जो रफ्तार है वो किसी कदर ज्यादा रखना पड़ती है, विकेट का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है। इस बार ये उम्दा स्वीप शॉट बिलाल अरशद ने लगाया। स्टंप्स को छोड़े जाती, लेकिन नहीं, अंपायर नासिर खान, इनके इरादे मुख्तलिफ थे और शशदर रह गए देखने वाले।
इसमें तो कोई शक नहीं कि बैटिंग तो बहुत अच्छी हो रही थी। पिच कहाँ हुआ ये देखना होगा, क्योंकि काफी शफल करके ऑफसाइड की तरफ आ गए थे।
ये अच्छा शॉट, इस बार अपने पेश बाजुओं की ताकत दिखाई और कट शॉट खेला, सनसनीखेज। बिल्कुल इसका पीछा करने की जरूरत नहीं।
दानिश अजीज, याद है आपको कल जिस तरीके से उन्होंने स्पिन हासिल की, एक बार फिर इतनी के बॉलर खुद भी हैरान है थोड़ा सा कि इतना टर्न हो रहा है।
अच्छी बॉलिंग असगर की जानिब से। दोनों स्पिनर्स ने आकर रन्स को रोका है। 6 ओवर्स के बाद 52 पर 2 प्रीमियर बैट्समैन दिखाई दे रहे हैं। उठाकर खेल गए और वहां पर फील्डर ने आ लिया। शानदार कैच, बाउंड्री पर आरिश अली खान थे जिनने पिछले ओवर में विकेट उड़ाई।
जो एरिया चूज किया वो सही नहीं था। ये लंबी बाउंड्री है, यहाँ को इसको क्लियर करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा जान चाहिए आपको।
देखिए आगे खींच लाए थे बैट्समैन को, कुछ देर के लिए पांव उठा लेकिन बर वक्त वापस आ गया।
Bowled out inside 20. Oh yes, he's got into a very good position. Opened that onside by moving that left foot out of the way.
With full power, generating all the power from the ground, and that bat swing was spectacular by him. Hand-eye coordination on point.
Nicely done. It was a quicker one and way outside off, and he's managed to get the boundary there. And Abdul Razak's in-swingers worked the magic, and people actually wanted to get back into the ground, but they'd already thrown their tickets away. That's a ball. This outfield is also a little quicker than yesterday. Of course, you'd expect it to be after the rain has stopped since last night. Umpire Faisal Afridi says yes, signal it 4, and so does Zulfikar Jan. Out. Should be. It is. Saifullah Bangash takes that catch at mid-off.
Well, there was a twist of the wrist.
और दूसरा रन तेजी के साथ हासिल किया। तेज गेंद थी और ये विकेट ले ली रमीज ने अपने पहले ही ओवर में।
जी हाँ, मैच में कराची की गिरफ्त बढ़ते हुए, ये देखिए बल्ले से लगने के बाद गेंद पैर से टकराया और उसके बाद विकेट से और बेल गिरी। शाहजेब को वापस जाना होगा। 20 गेंदें खेल के 11 रन बनाए
जिम्बाब्वे के खिलाफ 1996 में। खेल गए स्क्वायर के ऊपर से 4 रन के लिए। पॉइंट के फील्डर उछले जरूर थे लेकिन गेंद उनसे कहीं बाला गई। पहले स्लाइस किया, ड्राइव किया और दोनों बार नतीजा उनके हक में 4 रन।
किसी और स्पिनर को भी उस पे चांस नहीं लिया, लेकिन उनकी फास्ट बॉलिंग अच्छी थी। यहां पर इम्तियाज को जाना होगा। एक अच्छी गेंद
ने गेंद को जरा सा दूर गिराया और लेग साइड में खेलने के लिए गए। आउटर एज, कोई मुश्किल नहीं पॉइंट के लिए। विकेटें गिरने का सिलसिला जारी है। इम्तियाज लगारी गए, उनने बनाए 4 और 105 पर 6।
It's gone high in the air, shoot, sailed over. For a moment it looked like Hamza was in the game.
Yeah, much needed boundary. Great pickup shot. Great swing of the bat too. Did enough to get the 6.
Oh, what a catch! This is the catch of the tournament, I'm telling you. There will not be any better than that. That was flying through that region of that short fine, and Arish has pulled off a blinder.
A full toss down the leg side. He thought he's got a boundary, but no, man. There was Arish right in between that. Fantastic effort. Yeah, the celebration deserves it, surely.
You know, I'd love to see that in real time once again. Well, we'll get back to that dismissal again. Shahzeb goes for 20. Oh, reverse from the captain. We'll get him a boundary. Like the confidence there. Just a couple of days before Eid. Nice slower one from Bahadur. And all the time in the world for the keeper, but still misses. 2 misses. He's got hold of it. How many will he get out of that? 1 bounce and 4. This time it's gone high in the air. There's an opportunity or not. Oh, he stepped it over. I think that'll be a maximum. We'll have to wait. It is a maximum. A good, valuable 10 runs added by Mushtaq Koloro. It's high in the air. It'll take some catching. I don't think anyone is get there. It lands between the two. Undercut. Just a single for Zahid Mahmood, and end of the innings. 141 for 7 is what Larkana have managed in their 20 overs after choosing to bat first here at the Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad. Well, from what we've seen, this might not be enough.